Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing a clean workspace and prioritizing safety. Wear safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves and clear clutter to avoid slips. Identify the wire gauge with a printed marking or use a gauge tool, then measure and mark 1/2 inch or the exact 3.5 mm of insulation to expose per connection. Select the right tool for that gauge. An automatic wire stripper handles 2210 AWG quickly, while a manual stripper or precision nippers work for thin or to strip wires fast. Use an automatic wire stripper. Clamp the wire, pull the jaws, and it removes insulation in about 3 to 5 seconds per wire for 2210 AWG. For short runs of thin wire, hold the marked spot, roll a sharp utility knife gently perpendicular to the wire to score the insulation, then peel it off with pliers. Practice keeps strands intact. For heavy cable, secure the jacket in a bench vise and use a stripping blade or low-speed rotary tool to cut only the jacket before pulling it away. After stripping, always inspect the exposed copper for nicks or cut strands. If you find damaged strands, restrip a bit more insulation to reveal undamaged copper. For stranded conductors, twist the strands clockwise to make a neat end, then tin with solder or use a crimp-on ferrule for a reliable connection. This prevents fraying and improves conductivity. Clean up scraps and insulation, keep waste contained, and recycle copper scrap to maintain a tidy, safe workspace for the next job.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.